All right, guys, we're out here in the Corvette E-Ray again. We're going to be doing a quick autocross course here with the opportunity to do some skid pad drifting at the end. We're going to get our bearings first lap out, and we'll see how it goes. So we're going to engage. Let's try launch control for this first one, just for fun, because we didn't really get a good launch in the car on the street yesterday. So I'm in Z mode. What else do I need to know for launch control?
Well, you want to go to where it says launch, so over in performance.
Okay.
And go to the launch, down another one.
Down another one, okay.
There we go, launch control.
Got it.
So here you go. So see, press, hold, brake, kind of tells you what to do.
Got it, and then it's just off. Awesome.
Yep.
Sweet.
Max lat here if you'd like.
Sweet.
When in doubt, throttle out.
Cool. Awesome.
Yeah. Set to go, Stefan?
The car feels so good, especially on these PS4S's.
Yeah, lots of grip.
I think you're good.
Yeah, what's so amazing about the E-Ray compared to any other Corvette on sale and even in the past is just the low-down torque. It just rockets out of everything. And of course, all-wheel drive is a big part of that, but yeah, it's pretty amazing.
Yeah, there's something to be said for the amount of torque you get out of the corner for sure. Feels like a slingshot at the time.
Yeah, it really does. Cool. Can we dial back stability a little bit?
Do you want to just go straight system off?
Yeah, let's just do full off. Just
all right. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Go system off. It's and then the press and hold. You know the.
Awesome.
Drill. I can tell you've gotten familiar.
Yeah. All right. So then, how do you do launch control with system off?
Okay.
Then?
So it's the double paddle pull, and then a smack this one. There you go.
Got it. Okay.
Now feet in the throttle.
Got it.
Yeah, but it'll time out.
Oh, I see. Okay, so double pull, smack, throttle, go.
Yeah, and then release the brake like you would in a normal launch.
Okay, cool.
And you see the little green gear?
Yep.
That's when you know you're in it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Sweet. Oops, sorry.
It's okay.
Wider than I remember. Feels like an all-wheel drive car.
There you go.
Sweet.
Very nice. Yeah, honestly, I love the car system off. Like, you know, and that's the difference, right? So, like, the Z51, the Z06, extremely capable cars, ridiculous track weapons.
Yeah.
For somebody who maybe isn't as familiar with how to drive that kind of power and that rear-wheel drive and that kind of knife-edge track weapon, like, you can go system off and just rely on the front to pull you out.
It's so balanced.
Yeah.
I mean, I gave it a little bit more throttle initially on that drift, and I wanted to see how the all-wheel drive system would catch it.
Yep.
And just power through it. It held it beautifully. That was awesome.
And really, the more you ask for, the more it'll help you like that. Obviously, until it runs out of capacity, but there's enough there to pull you out.
Yep.
And it's kind of based on your relative wheel slip, right? So it intentionally allows a certain amount of rear wheel slip first, so it allows you to point the car, and then once you keep pushing it and you want to do that drift, it says, okay, I'm going to come in and stabilize it with the front.
Yep.
That's basically how it operates. All
That's
tire
beautiful.
capacity.
All in a Corvette.
Yep.
It's so freaky.
And I think you can go whenever you're ready.
All right, cool. Let's do it. We'll skip launch control.
All right.
these.
Yeah. No, that was a nice drift.
Cool, that felt good.
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, it's so controllable, so easy to just place exactly where you want, and the power is incredible. So
I'm glad you like it.
Fun.
And it was cool to see you in tap mode. Not everybody does that.
yeah, that was something new.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Cool. All set.
Yeah. Yeah. If there's
We'll
any other
hand off the
questions,
keys.
I mean, like, I got to keep getting everybody else through, but Steve can answer pretty much anything you can throw at him.
Great.
So.
Figured I'd balance out the tire where it'd go the other way.
Yeah. No, I appreciate that, actually. We were wondering how that was going to work out.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Of course. Thank you. What a pleasure, man. All right, guys. There you go. There's the E-Ray sideways. Pretty awesome.
It's nice meeting you.
Yeah. Good to meet you too.